This one's a big one. This one's going on YouTube.
Don't stall it.
Right, you're there. Touch down, off the gas, second gear, stop, stop, stop.
Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and you may not know, I part-own a company called Get Licensed Driving School. If you work at Yiannimize, I would really like you to have a driving license. Kieran, who's one of my juniors, has been here a long, long time, and he has no driving license, and he's just really not bothered to get one. However, because I own that company, I'm gonna give him a little present. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Kieran to come in here, and he's gonna go on his first lesson today. I'm gonna give him a little bit of advice, I'm gonna set him a target as well, and let's see how well he does. We're gonna film every single lesson, and if you wanna stay tuned and watch that, you can go to Get Licensed Driving School, and they will have all the footage there. But now, let's bring Kieran in. Kieran! So, you obviously know I'm part of Get Licensed Driving School.
Yeah.
How long have you been here now?
About 3 years.
Do you wanna actually get your driving license?
Yeah, I do.
You're looking forward to driving?
A bit. I'm a bit nervous, but...
You're a bit nervous. Obviously, it's a manual car that we're gonna do for you. I passed, just so you know, in 11 lessons. So theoretically, I reckon, what, 15?
Maybe. It depends how the first one goes.
So today, obviously, try not to stall the car. That's the first thing. Concentrate. I know you are deadly for concentrating. Your mind's all over the place.
Yeah.
Try not to hoot any girls as you're driving along. Don't play with the stereo. Don't lean to one side. Hands 10 to 2. Concentrate, listen to your instructor. I've just looked on the cameras and I see that he's pulled up. So good luck. And obviously I will fund this for you until you pass your test. Obviously, if I'm funding it for you, I'm gonna want something in return. So I'm gonna need you to obviously pass your test. I'll give you like one of the smarter cars to smoke around in, yeah?
Yeah.
But I can send you that at lunchtime, go to the shops and stuff. Is that cool, yeah? You can get me and Gina some bits.
Right.
Gina, do you need to go to the shops, get anything? Always. Always, okay? So don't stall it.
All right, thank you.
Later. Off he goes. I'm like a proud dad.
So thank you to Yianni and Get Licensed Driving School for sorting this out. I'm about to have my first lesson and let's see how it goes. Wish me luck.
Hello, Kieran.
Hello.
Hello, mate. You're right. My name's Arif. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You got
you.
a driving licence?
Yeah, I do. In my pocket.
How you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous, but
Where was your date of birth?
08/08/99.
Okay, there you go. All right, just one more thing before we go. I need to get you to read the number plate. If you'd like to come with me, can you read me the number plate of that vehicle?
LD 190WX.
We're going to go somewhere quiet. I'll be driving the vehicle. When we get there, we'll switch over. I'll give you a controls lesson and see how we get on. All right,
then.
Nice and relaxed. There you go. Here we go. What team do you support?
Spurs.
Oh, God.
Right? What's in this for?
When I'm teaching you, if there's anything that you don't understand, don't be afraid to ask me. I'm not teaching you to pass the test, I'm teaching you to be a good driver, and then you will pass the driving test. Everybody's learning ability is different, isn't it?
Yeah, Jan was saying he's took 11.
Who?
Jan.
How many?
11.
11 lessons?
Yeah, so he said that he wants me to do it in 15.
Well, that's quite good. I've sort of quite rarely seen that. I have seen it, but it's quite rare. But then again, it can be done. And what I sort of teach my pupils is treat everybody as though they're learners on the road. Don't trust no one but yourself.
I've done the theory as well, but I've done it 3 times and I failed 3 times.
Really? So obviously it means you're not studying it correctly.
Nah, I've not really studied it at all.
Well, then how do you expect to pass? Whoever's in the car is my most important pupil, and that's you.
This one's a big one. This one's going on YouTube.
Okay, if you'd like to take your seatbelt and come over here, please. You comfortable?
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, just sure.
Maybe. Yeah, that's all right.
If you pump that will either lift you up.
Yeah, that's all right.
Then you can go backwards and forwards, okay? That's too far back. A button there. That's not bad, actually. Now, if we bring the clutch up very quickly, instead of these 2 plates coming together gently.
Yeah.
They'll hit like that. That's when you get the jerks. I ain't lying there.
A bit.
Hands on the steering and slowly off the clutch. Slowly. Good boy. Clutch down. Second gear, please. Good. Hands on the steering. Slowly off the clutch. Clutch down. Third gear. Well done. How do you feel? Huh? Yeah.
A bit nervous.
Yeah, that makes two of us. No, that made you cheek. So if you let go of that clutch very quickly, and that's when we're going to get the shake. And you're not allowed to wear a Tottenham shirt in my car.
Oh, it's alright because I'm during work hours anyways. So it's during work hours anyways, only I'm not allowed to wear uniform.
Right, hold the key. Now pull with the right, push with the left.
Yeah.
So how many times have we turned it in order to lock the steering?
I didn't count. 3?
1.5.
1.5.
One complete and a half, yeah? Brake. So have another look to your right. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, handbrake down, feet still, steer right. Good boy, check your right mirror, that's enough steering, steer left quickly. Quickly, that's it, hold it there, then back, take it easy, well done. Can you hear the engine level?
Yeah.
What does it need?
Gear up.
Well done, clutch down, off the gas, second gear, no, off the clutch, slowly. Now you're not taking your foot off the gas when you're changing gear, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, off the gas here, right? And second gear, clutch down, off the gas, you've got to come off the gas, off the clutch. Good boy, well done. Listening quite well actually. Now can you select second gear for me on your own? Good.
When it's like this here, do I have to be on the left or?
No, there's no one coming towards you so you can make use of the road. You don't want to keep coming in and out every time it's clear.
Yeah.
And again, here, ease off the accelerator, check your mirrors, and look through the gap
Yeah.
as far ahead to make sure. And if anybody does come, don't panic. That's a good boy. You're not bad actually. Steer left, no, steer left. Gently brake, stop, 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 stop. Okay, I'm helping you. A little bit late on the brake there because we've gone past the line a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
Right, good. Try not to do everything at once. As you're stopping, the first gear was a good idea there, but a little bit early.
So it's
All right.
mirror. This is what I keep forgetting.
Right. What?
It's mirrors. Then
Signal.
I keep forgetting that. That's why.
Okay, what I'll do, you know, I've got it on the iPad.
Yeah.
Give me your number at the end,
Yeah.
and I'll send it to you so you can remember it. All right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop. First gear. Okay. See, as you stop there, you press the brake a little bit hard. Yeah. Gas. Gas. Don't look at him. Look at the road. Bring clutch up. Feet still. Now you're hurrying because of him. Yeah. You don't want to do that. All right.
Yeah.
All right. You don't want to hurry because of him. He hasn't had a go at you, he hasn't bibbed you, nothing. So take your time. And second gear, clutch down, off the gas. Now what I'd like you to do for me is please select the safe place and pull up. Mirrors. Check your left mirror. And let's pull up by the tree. Don't worry about it being gently brake, let it roll. Jet signal back on. Gently brake, let it know, watch the curve. Remember the guide? You remember the guide? Yeah, because that's a little bit close. You remember the guide we gave you? Try and get it to there. Handbrake, neutral, rest your feet, hold the key, and turn it towards yourself. How was that, Kieran?
That was alright.
You happy with that? You happy with the way I'm teaching you?
Yeah.
You good? Good boy. Not bad for us first time.
Back. How was it?
Yeah, it was good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
I'm just looking at the car, yeah? Can you see the rear quarter from here? Was that you, Kieran?
Nah, I wasn't that bad.
Anyway, I'll leave you with Kieran, yeah?
Well, so I just got back and it was alright. It's a bit nerve-wracking, but once you get used to it, sort of get going. It's hard, a lot to remember, a lot. It was way more than I expected. I never knew how much I had to remember, but hopefully one day we'll get there. So before we left, when we was here, I was a bit nervous. Once we got there, I was even more nervous. And when I jumped in the driver's seat, I was like, you know what, yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? And then it was alright. Yeah, we got it done, bish bash bosh. Can't wait for the next lesson. I feel like I might forget a bit, but it should be alright. So the hardest part was coordination, remembering what to do, when to do it, how to do it, in fact. I can't listen and do it at the same time, if that makes sense. So today I learned how to manoeuvre safely in the road, turn left, take off, stop. Once again, thanks to Jan, Get Licensed Driving School, for sorting that out. And yeah, ready for the next one.
So that was Kieran's first driving lesson. If you guys want to check out and see how well he does on all his lessons, or if you're starting on your own journey and you want to actually get a driving license yourself, make sure you head over to Get Licensed Driving School and subscribe right now.